Alright, this is my review for my Toshiba laptop AC adapter, and this is my unpackaging. This is the package it came in. It came in about a week. Okay, the packaging was real good. It came with bubble wrap, and there is to plug into the wall. Real good quality. There's an AC adapter, and it fit perfect in my laptop. And the reason why I bought this one, my factory one was shutting off my laptop, and this one, as I am using it, it does not shut off my laptop. It actually works better than the factory one. And I'm showing you the light that's it's green. It's indicating that there's power going to it, that it's working. And as you can see right now, I'm gonna show you my laptop, and the lights are on, and it's indicating that it's working and charging my battery, as you can see right there. And thank you, tmart. Good product.